got this. Help the engine jump the big bridge. Tap as fast as you can on the buttons to make the engines go, go, go. Woohoo! Yeah! Love that! Which way do you want to go? Right leads to the lava quarry. Forward leads to Brendam Docks. To Brendam Docks. Let's go. Help Cranky unload the special deliveries onto the boat. Wind the crank to lift and lower the deliveries. That's the way. Super! That's perfect! We all love your train set! Which way do you want to go? Forward leads to the Sodor Steamworks. Left leads to Tidmouth Sheds. The Steamworks are just ahead. Time for a refreshing wash at the Steamworks. Thanks for helping out.